So this problem doesn't require a long time to answer, but you do need to know what it is, which makes sense as to why it's 14 because this is a concept that's not commonly covered. And what they're asking us is if something decays at a rate of 13%, which one of these formulas matches if your initial amount was 325 and T represents how many years the substance has been decaying? Well, in this case, we want to first note that if something's decaying, what you're really thinking about is, let's say that you have something that's 13% off. What the question is, well, how much of percentage are you really paying? And in this case, it would be 87%, which really only leaves this answer intact because every year you only have 87% left over of what you had the previous year. All these other ones means that this one is dropping you down to 13%, which means that you're losing 87%. That doesn't make sense. This would actually increase your amount every year. You can plug in a value or two to see that 0.87 times 325 squared is an astronomical number. I wouldn't recommend you like actually work out the calculation. Just recognize if you were to think about plugging in for that. Same thing for D. So that wouldn't make sense. We're looking for something that's decreasing every year. So really it does come down to A or B because these are the only ones that are decreasing. And when you're asking how much will be remaining, the remaining amount, well, then you want to know how much you're actually paying if it was like the shirt comparison.